Very good morning, children. So last class I had given you small ABCD and cursive letters. I had started up with the cursive letters, children. So today also I'm giving you, I had end up with the 7 cursive letters today. So today remaining 18 letters are there. I'll finish off all the 18 letters. Then I'll give you a small clue of the vowels and consonants, children. Okay. From the next class, we are starting up with the lessons. So you should be very very alert and very concentrated on your studies, children. Understood, no? Okay? Yes. Now I'll start up with the 7 letters. Remaining 18 letters are there. So where did I end up, children? Yes, I'll write it on the board. Come towards the board. Sharp your pencil. Take your rough note. I told you should use the 4-line book only, children. See what on the board I have written the 4 lines, That book only you need to use for the cursive handwriting and the normal handwriting also, children. Don't go for the single rule book. Don't use this book. Okay, 1 minute. I'll show you in the camera. Don't use this book, children. This is for your classwork. Okay. We'll be giving you the 4-line book. So in that 4-line book, you can write it, children. And one more instruction for you, announcement. 200 pages for classwork and another 200 pages for your homework, children. That is 4-line book only. Okay. So if you have a rough note, you can write down in your rough note for the current time. Okay, remaining, once you purchase your books, you should start writing your homework very neatly. Whatever from the first class I have taught you, all the things should be written very neatly with the date. Once you start your work, write today's date. Okay, whenever you are sitting and writing your homework, when you have attended the online class, just mention the date, children, and then start writing your homework. Okay, so date should be written. So today, what is the date? I can't mention the date, children. Okay, just I'll tell the date for you. Today is 9th, children. Okay, so I'm giving you 9th. So just I'll give an example for you. See, I'm writing the date like this: 9/7/2021, or you can write only 21 also, children. Okay, just write the date and write the heading and write the heading. Heading is enough, children. That's all. This is the bridge course what I'm giving you. So today will be the last bridge course for you. Today will be the last one for you, children. So I'll give off all the remaining 18 letters also. Be alert and start writing now. Okay. Write cursive alphabet A to Z. Okay. So I had stopped till G. Okay. Now remaining next letter. I am going to the next letter now. So this is H, children. Very carefully take a help of your mother or father, whoever there at home. Father or your brother, sisters also you can take a help. Okay. H. And next is I. See, I should be give 1 finger space. Come like this. And do it like this. This is I, children. Okay. And J also looks little bit similar to I. Okay. But same thing you need to write, but you need to go down like this, children. Okay. This is J. Cursive J. Okay. 1 finger space. J. Next is K. Okay. K. Next is L. Next is M. Very stylishly you need to write the cursive handwriting, children. Okay. So you need to bend. You need to bend the alphabets. Many bends are there. Okay. See, wherever you write, you need to bend like this. Okay. Once again, I'll repeat the same thing. H. Okay. I. Next is J. This is K. See to my this one. Handwriting, see and follow my instructions very carefully and write down, children. Okay. So this is also the bends what you are doing, what you are finishing it. Okay. So just what you will write, you will be writing the capital letter like this. Okay. So you will just write the capital letter like this. So in cursive, what you need to do, you need to bend and you need to write it little bit stylish. Okay. It will look very neat also. Little bit it should be bend. Okay. If it is not possible, you can write it straight also. But you need to do it as like this. Okay, got it? No? Yes. So now where I stopped? N I stopped, no? Yes, the next one I'll continue here in this side. Okay. So N again. Okay, 1 minute, children. I'll just join the line so that I can finish off. So very carefully do it, children. Okay. Again and again I am been telling you from the beginning, very neatly and very carefully you need to write the cursive letters, children. Normal ABCD everybody will write. All the children are very good. No, you will write it. Normal ABCD you can write. But cursive handwriting is little bit difficult, children. So take a help of your parents. As I told you, not only mommy, daddy, you can take a help of your brother, sisters also, aunt, uncle, if they are staying at home, you can take their help. Like chikapa, chikama, mama, mami, many people will be there at your home, no? So you can take a help of them also. Okay. Next, N. After N comes O. Here again you should come like this. Put a tail for that O and you need to write. Okay. Next is P. P again, from the top come like this and go like this and do it like this. P. Yes, next is Q. Again, Q you need to write like O only, children, and you need to put a curve like this. Okay. Tail, a small tail for that. Q. Next is R. Next is S. S again, slanting line comes. Then you need to do it like this. So, very careful. Take help of your mother or brother, sisters. I am again and again repeating it. Tell mommy to put the dots and give children. After the help of the dots, you can practice nicely. If not in the book, at least take a slate, children. Take a slate and practice it nicely. Then you can go for a book. Once you practice in the slate and next you do the homework as in your book. Okay. Yes. Next is T. Okay. U. V. Okay. I'll stop there. I'll leave 2 lines. So this is your homework, children. You need to write it. This one has your homework. Okay. V. So here I'll write the W. Yes, W. X is like this, children. See, I taught you right curve and left curve, no? So like that you need to write the X as. This is cursive X. Cursive X looks like this. Okay, there comes a small tail for that. And the tail comes like this. Okay, X. And here comes Y. Y also needs a small tail. Okay. And lastly comes the Z. Okay. So these are the capital letters what I have written here. Okay. So see to this. I'll just write it as homework also. Okay. Write 1 full page, children. Okay. Write 1 full page these letters from H to Z. Yes, write one full page of cursive handwriting, cursive alphabets. Okay, you can copy down this in your rough note. As I told you, don't use your single line book, single ruled book, children. Use it as your 4-line book. Okay, do your homework in your 4-line. Buy a 100 pages book, children. Till you purchase books from the school, buy a 100 pages book. Ask your mommy or daddy to buy it and give for you. Buy it, take a scale, neatly draw the lines. See, for each letter, tell mommy to draw the lines and give like this. Okay. So you can write it, children. See, now you have drawn the line now. So slowly go like this. You need to touch the line and write. You should not go out of the line. One should be touched red line and another should be touched the blue line. Tell mommy to put the dots and give like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. On that, put a straight line. Go like this up and do it like this. P. Okay. Next, Q. See, so nicely and so neatly it comes, children. Very neatly and very politely sit and do your work, children. Okay. Don't mess up and don't do shabby work in your book, children. Do it very, very neatly. Okay. So I finish it here. This is your homework. Write one full page of cursive handwriting from H to I. From H to Z. Okay. One full page. Okay. Yes. Now I'll rub this and I'll just go for your small letters. Cursive alphabets. Now A to Z. Small ABCD I'll teach you, children. Okay. Yes, now same cursive alphabets again. So I'm starting up with the small letters. Okay, small cursive, small alphabets. So this one homework I have given you. Remember it very carefully. Remind your mommy to buy a 4-line book and write your homework very neatly in that, children. Okay. Yes. Now I'll start with the small ABCD. Yes. Here cursive. Small alphabet A to Z. Okay. Yes, now be ready with your pencil. Okay, I'll start up with the small letters. So very carefully follow it, children. Okay, that is also very easy. Big letters only will be tough for you, children. Small letters, gradually I'll explain you what is that. Okay, yes, now, yes, we'll start. See, A. Yes, you should put a tail for that. Okay. Yes, next, one finger space. B. This will find difficult for you. Take a help of your mummy. Okay. Next is C. D. E. F and G. Got it, children? See, in this letters B and F will be finding difficult for you. Okay? B, F and G, children. Hold your mummy's hand and write it. Okay? Next comes H. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. Got it? So you need to put a small tail for each letters here. In the cursive letters, you need to put a small tail for A, B, C, D, E. Even E also you need to put a tail like this. Okay? Very carefully, children. Okay? Do it. N. After N, again O. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. Yes. I told you in the last class also, children, the 7 letters, what you write in the first line, the same thing, the 7 letters should be continued in the next line, children. Okay. Whenever you write the alphabets, be very, very careful, children. Okay. Don't make mistakes. While writing the alphabets, you need to tell in the mouth. Okay. You can tell it as A or A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. Like that you keep on repeating. Then the letters will come out very fast for you, children. Okay. So whenever you write A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Or else A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat or gun, whichever is easy for you, you can keep on repeating it, children. Okay. Yes, I completed U. Next comes V. W. I told you X will come. Right curve, left curve, children. X. So again, tail is there for Y. And lastly comes the alphabet as Z. Okay. So very neatly, you need to complete this cursive small alphabets, children. Okay. This one also is your homework. You need to write it as one time. Homework. Small alphabet. Okay. One page full. Okay. Yes, I'll rub it right here. I'll continue here only, children. Heading is here. Homework. One page full, one time. That is small ABCD. Small, cursive, alphabets. Got it now? Yes, this is your homework. One I have given you, from H to Z I have given you capital letters, and one more homework is A to Z small letters. One page, okay? One page, one time only. Write it very neatly, okay? Yes, now I'll go for the next main, children, okay? So now this is okay. I'll leave that place for you, okay? I'll start here for you. Okay. Yes, now we are going to learn about the vowels, children. Okay. So here, now I'll just ask you one question. In alphabets, how many alphabets are there for you? Okay. It is very easy for you. Totally 26 alphabets are there, children. Okay. How many are there? 26 alphabets are there. So in the 26 alphabets, so how many are there? You need to count and tell me. 26 alphabets, no. In that, 5 alphabets will taken out as a vowels. Okay. So I'll just explain you. Wait. Yes. So now we are starting up with the new main, that is the second main. Yes. Write the vowels. Vowels, okay. So now we'll just read out. Okay, so now in from A to Z, there are totally 26 alphabets, children. How many are there? So totally 26 alphabets are there. 26 alphabet. Okay. In that 26 alphabet, 5 alphabet are there, that is as called as a vowels for you. Okay. So just I'll explain on the board those things. See, the first one is, what is the first letter in the alphabet? A. So you need to write it as A here. So okay, the first vowel is A. The second one here only you can see. See, I'll just explain you. The first is A. Next is B, C, D. This is not there. So next is E. E is a vowel. Okay. Next, F, G, H. That is not there. I is there. Okay. I. Okay. Again, I'll write I here. J, K, L, M, N. Again, O. O is there for you. O. Okay. And lastly comes the last one remaining letter. Very carefully see and learn it, children. Okay. It's very easy. Only 5 letters. Okay. A, E, I, O. Where I stopped? O I stopped. P, Q, R, S, T. Yes. Next comes U. Very good. So these are the 5 vowels. Okay, children. A. So A, E, I, O, U. Here I'll explain for you. I'll underline it and show for you, children. Okay. Here A, E, I, O, and finally comes U. Okay. So here, how many letters are there in the alphabet? 26 letters. In the 26 letters, if you take out 5 letters, what will be remaining for you? 21 will be remaining for you, children. So I'll just count it and tell you. See, you leave off A. Whichever I have underlined, don't count it, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. What I told you? In the 26 letters, if you take out 5 letters, 21 will be remaining. Okay. So, 21 letters will be remaining. Like that. Okay. So, these are the vowels. I told you A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Yes. So next I will write down the consonants for you now. Okay. Just I will show off the consonants also. So from the next week, you need to start up with your lessons. So as soon as possible, buy all your textbooks, children. So it will be easy for you to write the notes. Okay. Buy your textbooks and be ready with the textbooks, children. From the next week, next class, we will be introducing the lessons for you. All small lessons and good moral lessons are there, children. I'll be explaining you for that, for the lessons. Okay. Very carefully, you need to listen and write off your notes also, children. Yes, first one. Now, what heading I told? I'll be writing the consonants. So the remaining consonants are, how many are there? The 21 consonants are there. Okay, we'll just write, I'll write it on the board. You can copy in your book, children. Okay, write the consonants. Yes, consonants. Consonants are the remaining alphabets. Okay, in the 26 alphabets, 5 I have taken out as the vowels. The remaining consonants I'll be writing here now. Okay, once you can copy it. Yes, the first one is B, C, D, F, G, H. Okay, next comes J. You can bend it like this, children. It will look very neat. Okay, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So, I finished writing the consonants also. So, I'll just repeat it once again for you. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. So you may think why A, B, C, D, A is not there. So I told you A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. Okay. So these are the vowels and these are the consonants, children. Okay. So very neatly write it in your rough note and keep it ready. Once you get your 4-line book, I want all the things should be written very neatly in the 4-line book, children. Okay. As I told you, once again, I'll repeat it for you. 200 pages for the classwork and 200 pages for your homework, children. I'll mention it here. Okay. Once I'll mention it off here on the board so that you will be very clear with your books, children. For English, yes, here I'll mention the books for you. Only 2 books is there for your English, children. Okay. $200 pages for classwork and one more is 200 pages for homework. Okay. Other than this, English copywriting book also is there for you. Okay. So bind and keep your books and label it very neatly, children. Okay, write your name on that, write your class on that. No need to write the section. They are not mentioned the section for you. If they are mentioned, it's okay. If they are written and give you, you can write the section. But name and class should be very neatly written on the notebooks, children. Okay, and this is the two books what I told you. One is for classwork and then is for homework. And other than that, English copywriting also is there. English copywriting book. Okay, children, all the books, bind it very neatly, label it and write your name and keep it ready, children. So once you are bringing to the school for the correction also, your name and class should be mentioned on that. Understood, no? Yes. So today we learned the cursive letters from H to Z. That I have given you one page homework and I have given you small, I taught you small ABCD, cursive small ABCD, that I have given you one page, and other than that I taught you vowels and consonants. How many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels are there, that is A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So totally in the alphabets, 26 alphabets are there. In the 26 alphabets, if you take out the 5 vowels, what will be remaining? 21 will be remaining. Though that is the consonants. So the vowels which we have taken out, the 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So the consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, these are the consonants. So today I'll end up my class here. So what I told you, from the next class we'll be starting up with the lessons and your worksheets also will be coming through the PDF, children. Okay, so I'll end up my class for the here. Thank you so much, children.